Welcome to our morning routine in English episode. Emma, let's set the scene. What's a typical way to greet someone when you wake up?
Great question. Usually we say good morning with a cheerful tone. It's simple, but it sets a positive mood for the day. In English, greetings like this are important for friendliness, especially with roommates or family.
Absolutely. Good morning is short, but it can make mornings warmer. Do you use any follow-up questions like asking about sleep?
Definitely. I might ask, did you sleep well? It's a polite way to show you care. These small expressions help start conversations naturally, even if everyone is still a bit sleepy.
Now that we've greeted each other, let's talk verbs. Emma, what's the difference between wake up and get up?
That's a key point. Wake up means you open your eyes and become aware, but get up means you actually leave the bed. For example, sometimes I wake up at 6:30 but get up at 7.
That's relatable. In English, distinguishing these verbs helps you describe your actions more clearly. Could you give a sample sentence using both?
Sure, I usually wake up at 6:30, but I get up at 7. Notice how this shows two steps in the routine.
Let's move to the bathroom. Brushing teeth is a basic part of any morning. Emma, what useful phrases can learners use for this step?
The classic one is, I brush my teeth every morning. You can also say, I need to brush my teeth before breakfast. These are in the simple present tense, which is perfect for routines.
That's helpful. Did you know the American Dental Association recommends brushing for 2 minutes?
Exactly. So you might hear, don't forget to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. It's a friendly reminder and a great real-life example.
After brushing teeth, many people take a shower. Emma, how do you express this in English, especially if you share a bathroom?
You can say, I'm going to take a shower, or ask, are you done with the bathroom? This is polite and helps manage shared spaces smoothly.
Great point. Politeness goes a long way, especially in shared apartments. Would you mind giving an example using both a statement and a question?
Of course. I'll take a quick shower. Is that okay? Or let me know when you're finished. These help avoid misunderstandings.
Next up is choosing what to wear. Emma, what kind of expressions do you use when getting dressed in the morning?
I often say, I need to get dressed, or what should I wear today? These phrases are useful when talking about daily choices or asking for advice.
That's practical. For beginners, it helps to learn clothing vocabulary too, like shirt, pants, or dress.
Absolutely. For instance, I'm wearing a blue shirt and black pants today. Describing your outfit can build confidence with adjectives and colors.
Now it's time for breakfast. Emma, how do you talk about making and eating breakfast in English?
I might say, I'm making breakfast, or ask, what are you having for breakfast? These are common questions in shared homes and can spark more conversation.
Right, and mentioning food items like eggs, toast, or coffee helps expand vocabulary. What's your usual breakfast?
Usually I have cereal and fruit. So I'd say, I'm having cereal and a banana. Simple present tense works well for routines.
Mornings can be rushed. Emma, what English phrases express urgency, like when you're running late?
A classic is, I'm running late, or I have to hurry. These phrases convey urgency clearly. If you need to coordinate, you could ask, what time do we need to leave?
Those are essential for real-life situations, especially before work or school. Can you give an example with both urgency and scheduling?
Absolutely. I'm running late. Do we need to leave now? This helps clarify both your time and others' schedules.
So, after breakfast, it's time to leave. Emma, what do you usually say before heading out?
Polite phrases like, have a great day, or see you later are common. They end the morning routine on a positive note and strengthen relationships.
That's true. Such expressions are simple but meaningful. Is there a difference between goodbye and see you later?
Yes, see you later feels more casual and friendly, especially among roommates or friends, while goodbye is a bit more formal.
Let's take a moment for pronunciation. Emma, how does linking work in phrases like get up or get dressed?
Great question. In get up, native speakers often blend the words, so it sounds like get up. Linking helps speech sound natural. Similarly, get dressed blends the te and sounds.
That's helpful. And how about word stress?
We usually stress the action word, brush my teeth, make breakfast. Practicing this makes your English clearer and easier to understand.
As we wrap up, let's challenge our listeners. Emma, what can they do to practice today's expressions?
Try describing your morning routine using 3 to 5 new phrases from this episode. For example, I wake up, brush my teeth, and make breakfast. Say it out loud to build confidence.
That's a great exercise. Remember, repetition helps with fluency. Even if you make mistakes, keep practicing every day.
Exactly. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for joining, Use, and have a great morning.